Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are here in Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you how to remove a calculated field in your pivot table. So let's get in. On the right hand side here, you can see I've got a pivot table, and to access your calculated fields, you want to click anywhere in this pivot table, and on the ribbon right at the top of the page you will see pivot table analyze. Now from here you will go to your fields, items and sets and find calculated field. In here under name you can see that there is a window and a drop down menu. Now here is a weighted average. I'm going to click on this. Now once you've clicked on this, you've selected it, you're going to tap on delete. A very simple, straightforward, and now it has been removed completely. If you want to remake it, you can just continue to remake it, tap on add and then OK, and you're done. Now if this video was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, show your support, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.